two of my favorite snacks that help skinny guys gain muscle as fast as possible and make sure that you're getting the calories in. If you're in a crunch, if you're in the end of the day, you just gotta fit, 3 to 4 to 500 calories in. I got you. Watch. Here's two of the best peanut butters. You already know, high cal, 190 for about a spoonful. Put 4 servings of that on a rice cake of your choosing, and you got around 400 or 500 calories right there in itself. This is a little extra just to squeeze in a few at the end of the night or in between in the middle of the day. Terra sweet potato chips, 100 calories per serving, and there are 5 servings per container. So these, I wish I knew, but they're super helpful. Test them out.